This is me after a 6.5-hour car ride all the way here. Are you ready? There's my big truck. See? Shall we go in the front door or the garage door? We'll go with the front door. Oh, I just hit the pole. Those poles are kind of nice, but they kind of hurt if you hit them. Front door. Here we come. Oh, nobody's home. I don't feel like this looks very big on camera, but I feel like it's bigger once I've gotten in here. Look. There's where my dining room table's gonna go. Front door again. Upstairs and downstairs, but we'll go in here first. Don't worry, I stopped by Starbucks. That's weird. I'm gonna do something cute there. Kitchen. Dishwasher. Garage door. Here's your garage. Oh, there's the truck. Back door. Deck. Yard to mow. Kind of a lot. Walk out basement door. All right. Let's go upstairs. I'll make you wait to see the bar. Up, up, up. To the right. I'm pretty sure this is going to be Aiden's room. There's no blinds there. I've got to buy those. Closet. Bathroom. They left the shelf for us. Bathroom. That goes to our room. Missy's room. Didn't notice the ceiling fan last time I was here. Aiden's room has one. Our room doesn't. Our room is really pretty big. But there's no curtains. Look at that big closet. Kind of excited over that. And then you can go back into the bathroom from our bedroom. See? Back down. There's the front door. And we're going to go down these stairs. Doorway on the right. Another full bathroom. And washer and dryer. Extra bedroom. Kind of small actually, but that's alright. Full basement. There's your bar. Look at that ugly stuff. I have to do something with that. I've only been here once. I don't really know, but oh, that must lift up like that. There it is. Refrigerator. Pretty exciting. We'll see how it goes. All right, bye.